Hey guys, you're going to want to stick with us today in the camp kitchen. We're doing pizzas on the Blackstone, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell, and we'll get started right now. Okay guys, so earlier today we went ahead and we mixed up our pizza dough, gave it a couple hours to rise. Now you don't have to use the homemade dough if that's not what you want to use. You can use the pre-made stuff from the store. Perfectly fine, it'll work just the same. But I'll include a link down below of the recipe that we're going to use for the pizza dough today in case you want to give it a try. We're going to be cooking on high heat today. We got our Blackstone all heated up. She's blazing hot, so let's go ahead and we'll get this started. The dough will shrink and start to rise as soon as it hits the griddle, so stretch it out as big and thin as you can. We brush on some of that amazing garlic butter. Oh man, this is gonna be good. So at this stage, we don't want to fully cook the pizza dough. We just want to go ahead and firm it up a little bit, give it a little light brown texture to it, and that'll go ahead and help jump the start the cooking process so that when we get our toppings on it, put it back in the Blackstone, it can cook fully through. While we finish browning up the last of our dough, now's a good time to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that little bell. So while my son puts the toppings on the pizza, I'm going to go ahead and get the racks and the smoke box ready to go on the griddle. We're going to go ahead and cook those pizzas directly on the racks, and we're going to close up our lid and try to get some of that nice wood smoke flavor on the pizzas as they finish cooking.
Five minutes later.
So another 5 minutes has gone by and we go ahead and we open up our griddle, take a look at these pizzas, and oh my god, I wish you guys could smell the smells coming out of that griddle. The nice smoky flavor along with that barbecue, it was just awesome.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
There you go, guys. Pizza's on the Blackstone right at the campsite. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you out there.